What's up guys? So today I have the last day from the New York City trip. I actually had an entire day's worth of footage that I forgot to upload. So that's what I have for you guys here today. Here we go, enjoy. All right, good morning guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Off to a rocky start today in New York City. Started off with a flat tire this morning. We fixed that. Now we're getting on the train to Manhattan. Damien has to fix his chain. What else? I don't know. Then we're just gonna explore the city, I guess. Is it going flat? Yeah, there was a huge, there was a huge thing in it earlier, but I took it out like a staple. Well, we're here. Now we wait for the train. Blink Fitness. Before this vlog starts, make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Hey, thumbs up this video. Thumbs up. Thumbs up this video if you want to win this bike. I'll be giving it away at 10,000 likes. I don't know when that's going to happen again. When I do reach that goal, I will give this bike away. So if you want it, like the video right now. Comment below why you want it. Make sure you get on hicksfam.com, cop anything, because that's how you win the bikes. Let's get it.
Yeah. You know, Hicks and Damien, we out here.
Last full day. Last full day. Maybe. Getting it.
Close your doors, please.
Yo, let's go. I know, I'm hungry as hell. Our first order of today's business, we need to go to the bike shop, get Damien's chain fixed. Maybe replace it. Hopefully not though. Hopefully we just can fix it, keep riding, and then try and ride some stuff we haven't seen in our last day. You never do till you start moving, huh?
Right?
Yeah. Get the cut through. Ah, well. That sucks. I don't know. We tried going to the skate park, see if there's a chain breaker there. It's closed on Mondays. Didn't even look at that. Did you make that hoodie by chance?
No.
Oh, the camo's sick. Options, I guess we go to the skate park, see if anyone has one. If not,
Coffee with a grip camo.
and make this left. Here we are. Okay.
I have one for sale.
Chain breaker for sale. Not for use though.
Nope.
Is it a park tool?
Nope.
It's just like a regular.
Yep.
How much?
Like 25.
Oh man. What do you need to do? You just need to pop a link out, or you need to take one off completely on. Or it's like a multi-tool you have for sale.
Yeah.
I mean, what's the alternative? Is like pays you to do it?
Huh?
Is the alternative that he pays you to just take the link off, as opposed to buying one?
It'd be like 15 bucks.
Yeah, we don't need links. We just need to take a link off, actually. Yeah, no, we're
For sure.
No,
we're totally positive. It's just a matter of finding
any
one.
other complications? Because
There's absolutely no way we could use yours, and if we mess it up, we pay for it. Just not
you got
happening.
one. Have your own tools. You all know that.
Yeah, no, good point. We don't need a lecture. I mean, do you want to do it or not?
I'm gonna just ride it to the snap.
All right, so our current predicament, the shop is closed, which is where we would typically be going to fix our chain. We just went to some place called Off the Bridge. That guy was an asshole, to put it pretty bluntly. I don't know how bike shops in New York operate, but there's no need to lecture us over our inability to carry tools. Even though he has a point, save the talk. Either you can help us or not, like why? Anyways, we need to figure out what to do about his chain. Otherwise, it's gonna put a large hinder on the day. So, current mission, find a chain breaker. Jeez. Alright, so I put a call out on Instagram to see if anyone has a chain breaker. If they do, they made it to the skate park. No telling if anyone's actually got one and is gonna show up, but we're about to check. This guy's just dipping on a forklift in the street. Yeah, hit it right. The chain's not fully broken, but one good crank and it's toast, to be honest. So we want to preemptively save the situation before it gets worse. All right, well, we waited at the skate park for a bit. Nobody showed up with a chain breaker, so we're just gonna test our luck. Going out for a pedal. If his chain breaks, we try and figure it out on the fly or something. I don't know. Not gonna let our last day being able to ride in the city get stopped though. We will ride at any means necessary. That's really loud. What? Hey, take this right into here.
Damien.
Yeah. Looking into projects. I know a 6th spot, but I don't know exactly which project it's in. Damien needs to get behind us.
Yeah.
He's not leading right now. He's a very improper leader. He just goes in a straight line. Yeah, with the earphones in, even worse. Damn, these projects hella rough, bro. I don't know. Oh. I don't know. It's definitely doable. Well, kinda. Pretty terrible angle. Yes. Not down for that. She said, let me see y'all stunts. I'll show you some stunts, baby. Like this. Brooklyn Banks right there, huh? Not going there. Let's get on the other side of all this stuff. We get a clip on that stage? Nah? Yes, sir.
Yeah, and there was bigger ones.
Yeah. Sticky, but it would work. But put it through the scanner.
Put the scanner, yeah.
So about that rail you're about to hit. This one, right?
Whoa.
Hey, remember you talking about signs yesterday? Signs. Definitely gonna flat again. Yo. Looks so different from over there. I think this is one of the subways that, like, it was this style they dropped in on.
Yeah, it is. Because it has the glass top.
That looks super easy.
Yeah, that one.
Except it goes in, oh, how about that? Yeah, let's go look at that.
That one's way better.
Oh, that weird bump at the bottom though, right? Huh?
You talking about that little bump or this one?
That one.
Oh, well, it's a little over.
Oh yeah. Wanna do it?
You want to do it?
Yeah. Well, there's cops right there watching. It's kind of sketchy. I wonder if they're gonna move.
This thick ass glass. No, we're not worried about the glass yet.
Grinding. Imagine grinding.
Look, there's marks up there. Marks like that though.
All right, we're good.
Oh, they did.
Wanna do it?
No.
It's really slippery.
Yeah, it just got, yeah, look, it just got really windy. That was crazy.
Thank you.
That was insane.
That's my one cool move for New York City.
Go watch that on there. I mean, you guys are already going to watch
Hang time. Oh, that woke me up. I'm a little jittery. See me up there? Yeah. Not much. Yeah, that felt way bigger than it looked, right?
It felt a lot bigger than it looked.
Subway drop-in, not gonna lie, kind of terrifying. Kind of terrifying. Really fun though. One thing I couldn't get transmitted on camera is how slippery and dusty it was up there. I was scared I was gonna lose traction going down, but I did not. Damien chain's still working. I feel like I'm getting a flat, but it might just be my brain playing tricks on me. Regardless, we continue onwards into the city, looking for spots. Let's go. Oh, the bull. There's the famous bull. Cool, tourist stuff. That was really close. That was way too close. Kind of something.
Yeah.
You're from YouTube,
Hey,
right?
yeah. How you doing, man?
My brother?
How you doing?
Good?
Yeah, man.
That's what's up.
Pleasure to meet you.
They say
Whoa, that was big. That was really big. Bruh.
That's how we warming up? I was like, how far is he gonna go?
Bro, I don't know. I got confused.
He just went before the people came.
Yeah. But then I had depth perception. I was like, oh, this is a low part. And then I jumped. I was like, oh, this is a high part.
No, yeah, I was like, yeah,
Why is there so much smoke? Oh, it's just steam. That's so weird. Oh, really? I think I got it. Oh, if they don't start going. Oh! Skirt. Oh, whoa. Okay. Or you get stuck with a wall like this. Cobbles. Look at the dog chilling. Come on, some cold ass air. This is a cool little part of the town, though. Ooh, at least we haven't been here yet, so.
I got something in my eye. Finally, we lost.
Yeah, finally.
We lost in the city. 2 days.
Right? That doesn't make no sense. It's kind of creepy, right? This looks like it'd be in hella movies, but you wouldn't know it.
John Hicks BMX.
What's good, bro? How you doing? Nice to meet you. Getting another flat, 100%. I'm starting to feel my rim again. So annoying. I don't know, I cleaned it out. There's a huge pin. It was definitely the cause of the first flat, but I took it out. I know, it's only when you don't need it, you think about it.
What's that rail? Is that a runner?
Oh, there's a spot over here. Over?
Kind of want to.
Well, 180 or something, or just jump it? Oh no.
That was like...
It's pretty big, right?
Yeah.
It's not huge, but...
It's not huge.
there's nothing. Come on, good.
Oh, that's really good.
Kind of hurt my ankle. Oh, hell yeah, that's sick. Thank you. How you doing, boss? We weren't told. Can't listen if you weren't told. Huh?
Oh, risk.
Oh, wrong place. Or risk? I don't know.
I don't know.
You can't do tricks and stuff like you hurt somebody, but you don't want to hurt nobody.
Probably hurt ourselves before we hurt someone else.
You don't want to hurt yourself either.
I mean, I'm kind of sadistic. I don't know. I don't mind. Now we're playing. We'll get out of here.
Thank you.
All right, let's go.
You sound kind of sadistic.
Keep practicing.
Keep trying.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's fire.
Flashing lights at the thing, so it turns.
Oh,
So
you didn't know where he was going. Asked me for directions.
let me drop.
What's up? Let's go left. Yo. Damn, they got him. Oh, oh. Oh. Where did they go? Ah, crap, I lost him. All right, chiming in with the update. Damien's chain hasn't broke yet, so we're still just going. Yeah, I don't know. I did a really big bar spin. I did that drop in on the subway. That felt dope. What else? What else? I don't know. We're just trying to find other parts of the city we haven't been to yet. So that's what we're doing. Almost died a couple times. It's fun though. It's like what you do out here. You almost die for fun in traffic.
It almost ran into me.
That was crazy. That was really crazy. Dude, that was crazy. He almost backed into me after too. I don't know where we are, but I'm loving it. Yeah, that's just the name of the game out here. Oh, we're back where we started, kind of. Now we're back to somewhere we know. Here's H&M.
Oh.
This is where we walk through.
This is H&M. Our headquarters.
Right?
You know where we're at.
Oh, whoa. Woo. Oh, swerve game on 100. Oh. Oh. Yo. Oh, that's a good question. We're just fighting for our lives out here, man. Look at that triple set. Did not traffic work?
I don't even know how we get through.
For real, like look at this. I mean, I guess sometimes you don't like that. Yeah. Just gotta find the opening and go.
Had our engagement photo.
Oh my God. Pure insanity. That was crazy. Almost lost our lives a couple times. Yeah, we did learn that.
Now we know there ain't no spots over here.
There ain't no spots over here. Ooh, oof.
I kind of want to ride that shit.
Ride the water, right?
Whatever athlete this is, I need a number.
Imagine Damien, I don't even want to say it. Imagine you snap your chain and I get a flat at the same time in here.
Yeah.
Oh! It's way better to spin to the left. To the right, you like go off.
Oh, bro, every time
Damien. Y'all know I can't hop over that. Well, it looks like the bad weather is starting to set in. It's not raining yet, it's sprinkling, but it's definitely really cloudy. We tried to go to Central Park on some tourist tip, you know, just see the stuff that we would see as tourists, Times Square, Central Park, you know. We gotta do that. But we saw it, it was cool. We're gonna head back south. There's one skate park we wanna check out under the Manhattan Bridge before we leave. Right now we're gonna get drinks, rehydrate, make the trek south back down about 6 miles, and go to the skate park. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Boy. Yeah.
well, Times Square, we are good.
Yeah.
4 times?
Oh. Oh there. Still doing tourist stuff, did bar spins in the middle of the street. Bar spin photo time. Damien's up next. Times Square. This is the most touristy trip to New York I've ever had, and I'm loving it. Just doing nothing but tourist things. When you're at Times Square, you're automatically a tourist, even if you're from here. It's a little easier. What?
He didn't record anything.
Why does his voice not look like his body? Maybe call it a day. It's gonna rain all day tomorrow, so this is really like our last day of trying to do anything, so I mean, we're making the most of it. We're also just enjoying it, you know, not trying to go crazy, like, yeah, that's a storm.
It's okay, I caught them flipping, that's all I needed.
True. Looks like a storm's coming in.
It's
definitely coming in.
I don't even know if we can make it to that Manhattan Park.
Yeah, we're probably, I mean, we'll make it, but It might be sprinkling tonight. Let's start making our way down though. Let's go, David.
Sleep till Brooklyn.
Oh, sorry, Damien, Eugene. Okay. Woo! We have to somehow cut through. Yeah. Alright, that works. Well, Times Square is pretty dope. Woo! And that was the last day of the New York City trip. Comment below where you think we should travel to next. That was a really fun video. If you want more GoPro videos, just like this video and I'll be sure to make more for you guys. As always, thank you guys for watching. I love you. I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.